Introducing the Dyna-Glo Dual Heat Electric Garage Heater, an exceptional heating solution designed to cater to your garage, warehouse, or workshop needs. This powerful unit boasts a range of impressive features, including multiple heat settings, a fan-only option for year-round use, remote control convenience, and safety mechanisms such as overheat protection. Join us as we delve deeper into the details of this heater to discover why it stands out as a reliable and versatile choice for heating spaces of up to 1,000 square feet. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Impressive heating capacity. This heater is a powerhouse when it comes to heating. With its dual power settings of 7,500 watts, 25,589 BTUs, and 10,000 watts, 34,121 BTUs, it can efficiently heat up to 1,000 square feet of space. Whether you have a large garage, warehouse, or workshop, this heater has got you covered. Number 2. Versatile operation. What sets this heater apart is its versatility. Not only can it provide powerful heat, but it also offers a fan-only mode, making it useful even in the warmer months. This flexibility ensures that you get year-round comfort and value from your investment. Number 3. Convenient controls. Controlling this heater is a breeze due to the included remote control and the LED touchscreen display. You can easily adjust the heat settings, fan speed, and timer from the comfort of your workspace. The convenience of these controls cannot be overstated, especially when you're in the middle of a project and need quick adjustments. Number 4. Adjustable airflow. The heater's adjustable angles for horizontal and vertical airflow provide customization options to direct the heat exactly where you need it. The safety lock feature ensures that the heater remains securely positioned, preventing any accidents in your workspace. Number 5. Solid build quality. This heater is crafted with durability in mind. Its sturdy, rugged construction ensures that it can withstand the rigors of a busy garage or workshop. The fully enclosed motor adds to its longevity by protecting it from dust and debris. Number 6. Safety first. Safety is paramount, and this heater doesn't compromise. It comes equipped with overheat auto shutoff protection and a caution indicator light, providing peace of mind while you work. You can focus on your tasks without worrying about overheating issues. Number 7. Hardwire installation. While it may require a hardwire installation, this ensures a secure and reliable connection. Once installed, you can enjoy the consistent performance and warmth that this heater provides. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 20 inches depth by 18.15 inches width by 18.27 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 4 reasons to buy. High heating capacity, 10,000 watts for efficient warming. Versatile, fan-only mode for year-round use. User-friendly remote control and LED touchscreen. Adjustable airflow with safety lock. 1 reason not to buy. Requires hardwire installation, which may require professional assistance. Conclusion. The Dyna-Glo Dual Heat 10,000 watts electric garage heater is a robust and versatile heating solution for large spaces. With its impressive heating capacity, user-friendly controls, and safety features, it's a valuable addition to any workspace. Whether you're tackling projects in the dead of winter or just need some extra airflow in the summer, this heater has you covered. Its solid construction and advanced features make it a reliable choice for those seeking efficient and dependable heating solutions for their garage or workshop. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.